Times have completely changed. You can now create a full website in around 5 minutes without any experience at all, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Even if you're a complete beginner, it's very nice and easy. So just follow along and you can create something like this. And I genuinely created this in 5 minutes. There's only two things that you need. Number one is you need Canva. You can download it, it's free. There is a paid version, but I'm using the free one that you're seeing on my screen. The next thing you need is a really, really good prompt, which I generated using artificial intelligence, and I'm going to show you that prompt. But before anything else, let me quickly show you what's on my screen. So this is Canva if you've never used it. And what we want to click on is the website button here. Now, the great thing about Canva is that it's got this box here on the left-hand side now called Describe Your Ideal Design. Now, in here, you can just quite simply put in design your website for X, Y, and Z. And I will design you one. It's just that it's going to be a little bit mediocre. It won't be great. So what we need is we need a great prompt. Luckily, I already have one created for you. If you need it, you just message me and I will send you it. Very quickly tell you the top part. The rest, if you need it, message me and I'll send you it. Create a modern, premium, mobile-first, one-page website for a local home cleaning business. It's got the business name, location, target audience, busy families, working professionals, landlords, Airbnb hosts. The main goal is to generate leads, quotes, requests, WhatsApp messages and phone calls. And the tone is simple English, friendly, trustworthy, confident, not salesy, and definitely not cheesy. Now the rest, I'm not going to read out to you. What I will do is I will just copy this, paste it into the section here on the left-hand side, click the submit button, and then we will click generate design. It's going to think for a little while, and then eventually it's going to give us the preview of the website. Whilst we're waiting for that, by the way, this is my third video now on YouTube long form. If you think my videos are handy, then please do click that follow button. That way you can stay up to date with any other videos that I bring out. Usually I try and do one long form video a week. I post one short every single day just to upgrade everybody who's watching and learn AI in a much more simple, beginner-friendly way. So we have a website here. Now, it's not exactly like the preview I showed you in the first section of the video, but again, the design is going to be good. So we'll click on preview here at the top right-hand side. So we've got Spark Clean, Breathe Easy, and a clean home. Get your free quote. We've got a nice picture here on the right-hand side. Welcome to Spark Clean. It's a little bit about the company. Comprehensive cleaning solutions. That looks quite nice, I think. How Spark Clean works. Pick your clean, select a time. We clean, you relax. I like that. Affordable pricing, no hidden fees. Thank you for choosing us. Get in touch. And then just at the bottom says follow us at Instagram. It's just a made-up name. Now we're going to click close for a second. And I want to show you that you can edit anything here. You can rename this if you want to. Daily Clean, something like that. You can change the font. So we can click on the font part here at the top and we can choose this one. You can animate buttons if need be. So we can make this pop. If you click preview, you see that it kind of popped out there and then went back in. So you have a whole bunch of customization that you can do within this. But again, this is an extremely beginner version of how you can create a website in literally 5 minutes. And once you're happy with it, you can click publish website. And of course, look, there's a whole bunch of other things that you can do in Canva. So feel free, take your time, have a look at it all. But that's it from me at this stage, a very, very quick and easy tutorial on how you can create a website using a great AI prompt in 5 minutes.